So how do you use the Apple Numbers spreadsheet on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So if I go to my Files app and browse all of the existing folders and everything, I can try to look up if I don't have any numbers files. So as you can see, I can filter it by numbers spreadsheet, and I actually have plenty of them. So how can you use it? How does that work? So the first step would be to make sure that you have the Apple Numbers app downloaded from the App Store, right? Because you can also delete it, you can re-download it, but you need to have the app ready so we can actually use it. And as you can see in the Files app, the one which is actually in the numbers format, you can just tap on it and it should get you to the Apple Numbers app right away. And in here you can tap on the individual cells, double tap it, work with the text in here and so on. So yeah, you can use all of the features in here which are available, and you can kind of like customize it, do whatever you need. So that's how you can use it. You open it up in here and make all of the changes you want, and once you're done, click the three dots, tap on the export, and you can export it in any format you want and actually share it over email or do whatever you need. So that's something you can do. However, it might also happen that you have a different type of spreadsheet. So you might be using Microsoft Excel, right? And you might have a different type of spreadsheet file, right? So as you can see, we have untitled spreadsheet made by Google. Then we have one from the Office Open, so made from Microsoft. And when I tap on this one, it gets me into the Microsoft Excel and not the numbers. But you can switch it if you hold down on it, click on Open With, and instead of choosing Excel, you can pick the numbers instead and kind of like move it between the different spreadsheet editors. So yeah, it might tell you or ask you what about some details. We're going to confirm it, and now it's going to import one type of spreadsheet from one app like Excel to another editor like the numbers, and you can tap edit and work with it in here too. So if you have something very specific which I didn't really mention in this video, let me know about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, but definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one in the future, and I'll see you later.